Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you how to create a drag and drop calendar and to-do list in Notion. So let's get started. When you log into your new Notion account, navigate to the task list section. Add a new view, select calendar, and switch back to the table view. Customize your table by adding columns like date or deadline. Change the type to date for adding deadlines. If needed, create a new status by typing it out. Drag the task list into your personal home. Add two headlines, calendar, and to-do list. Drag to-do list to the side, creating a neat layout. Click the 6 dots, turn it into inline, and change it from table to calendar. On the left, click the plus sign. Scroll down to board field and choose task list. Change to full width and adjust as needed. Utilize the drag and drop function for easy task management. Click on any event to add notes, titles, or delete unnecessary items. That's it. You've created a dynamic task management setup in Notion. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. See you next time.